Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars. In today's road test, 1968 Camaro ZZ502, Tremec, T56 Magnum, and the good old 12-bolt Chevy. Can't go wrong with a Camaro with a big block, Corey.
Nope.
She's not an LS. She's the real deal. All right, let's fire it up. It also has fuel injection, so what's this? Nice.
Starts right up.
Oh yeah. Ice cold. 75 degrees. Yeah, you can't beat a big block. LS is nice, but there are other engines, right?
Yep.
These ZZ502s are nice. Run nice. Ton of mid-range. Give it a minute to warm up.
Yeah, what's this got? 500 change horsepower, 586 foot-pounds.
508 horse, I believe they rated. Big torque though, like you said, almost 600. Finally got some weather.
Finally. It's supposed to be 74 today. Nice day for a quick test drive.
Oh yeah. Snap. Hydraulic clutch too, I think, in this car. If I remember. Twin disc clutch, I believe. Hydraulic. Definitely drives nice. Tracks, so it's a little stiff, but it hooks. It's hard to even spin with all the power it wants to. It'll hook. It's got that nice low end. You don't get that with an LS. Knocking LS
plenty of fun.
Oh yeah, drive it everywhere.